Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a Colourpop haul, like Black Friday edition. So yeah, if you want to see what I got from Colourpop for Black Friday, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my Colourpop box right here, super big. You know, I kind of went a little bit crazy, but it's okay because it was Black Friday. Okay, so my box is like packed to the top. Okay, so let's just start off with what's on top. So I didn't order this, but because it was Black Friday and holidays, and there was probably an extensive amount of orders through Colourpop, they was a bit late with shipping my product, so they threw this in for free. So on the card it says, "Sorry, we're late, XO Colourpop," which I think is really like good. Like, they knew they were late and they wanted to make up for it, so they threw something in for free. This is a liquid lip. It's an ultra glossy lip in the shade Dust to Dust, which is like a super cute color. So it's like a orangey gloss with glitter in it. It does have like that orange tint, but it is pretty sheer. And then the regular card is just a Colourpop card, and it says Warm Wishes on it. Super cute. Then I ordered by the Bushel bundle, which is a lip scrub and a lip balm little bundle. So this is the lippy scrub, again in the scent, color, fragrance, or flavor by the Bushel. Super cute packaging. The like actual package is like a matte, like the component is matte, which I like, with a cute little white lid with neon pink writing on it. Super cute. And it comes with that lift like lid, which I freaking love. Oh my god, this smells like heaven. I can't wait to use this. I love a lippy scrub, or I love lip scrubs, like, period. And this one doesn't look too thick. It looks kind of like a paste. It reminds me of watermelon. It smells like watermelon. The lippy balm is also by the Bushel, or Bushel? Am I saying that right? Whatever. This is what it looks like. I'm such a sucker for this like corally pink, like baby light pink color. I freaking love it. So that is what it looks like. Super cute. It's just a squeezy tube. I'm not going to swatch that because it's just a lip balm. So the next product that I got is a Luxe lipstick. I do have one of these already, but the formula is the blurred or like blotted lip formula. And I want to say this is the cream formula in the color Pinkies Up. So again, I love the box that it comes in. Super cute. And again, it's the rose gold packaging with stars on it. Super, super cute. Okay, so I just did my lighting, so maybe you can see it a bit better. And the color is like a brown shade. So I'll do a swatch. So that is what the color looks like. It definitely feels really hydrating. It's a really pretty mauvey brown type of color, so I can't wait to use this. And I already see my collection growing with these lipsticks. The next product is from Fourth Rate Beauty, which you can purchase straight from Colourpop's website. This is the Fresh AF Mist. It says we can all use a little extra juju in our lives. This is super freaking cute. It says hold 10 to 12 inches away from face, close eyes, and mist liberally. Use whenever skin feels parched or needs an instant refresh. So this is what the box looks like. Super freaking cute. Again, I don't know how many times I'm going to say cute in this video, but probably a lot. So I love the way this opens. It's super unique. So you take the little flap out and it like folds out like that. It says no secrets, no surprises, no BS, you can trust us. So this is what it looks like. it is really clear, like really, really clear. And it's obviously in a spray bottle. So I love that it has like a pinkish tint to it. So I can't wait to use this. The next product that I got is a Super Shock Cheek. This is a blush, and this is in the color Birthday Suit. Yeah, this is my type of color. I wanted like a mauve type of color. So this is the actual product's packaging. It's in a white container and it twists open. And this is what it looks like. It is a bit crumbly, but I mean, it's fine. Oh, this is pretty like loose. So it is a bit loose inside the packaging, but I'll just do a quick swatch for you guys. It is a pretty deep blush. I thought it was going to be a bit more like mauve, but as I swatch it, it looks more pink, but can't wait to use that. There will be a first impressions with all the products that I've been hauling in these past few videos, because I did a Shop Miss A haul, Ulta haul, and then there's this video. So after I post all 3 of these videos, then there will be a full face of first impressions plus a wear test of everything that I'm doing the first impressions on. So the next thing I got from Colourpop is the BFF Volumizing Mascara in Black on Black. This is what the packaging looks like. It says lashes check on it, super cute in the back. And yeah, so let's see what the brush looks like. So the brush reminds me of like the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara brush. So I can't wait to use this either. How exciting. The next 2 products are cream gel liners. I got one in the shade Honey Dude and one in the shade Charmer. That is what the box looks like for those. Okay, so Honey Dude is the nude one, and then Charmer is the maroonish burgundy-ish one. So I'll do a little swatch. I can't wait to use these on my waterline. Okay, so that is the swatch of Honey Dude, and then this is Charmer, and Charmer looks super pretty. Like, I can't wait to put this on my waterline. I feel like it's gonna be like it's just gonna make the look, whatever look I do, look so unique. And I've been dying to try like more nude liners, so I can't wait to use Honey Dude either. The next thing that I got is the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder. I got this in the shade medium dark because, again, I've been looking for pressed powders that just go with my skin tone. I really do love like all the packaging to their products. It's my color. Like my favorite type of color is like pinky nudish colors. So the packaging says Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder on the front. Then on the back it just says the color and has probably like the shade of the color on the sticker. And super cute. I'm pretty sure this comes with a nice mirror. My mirror came with scratches on it, but whatever. This is what the actual shade looks like, and I think this is going to be a good match. So I swatched it right here. You can barely see it, but I think this is going to be a good pressed powder to set my entire face with, so I can't wait to try this as well. Wow, I didn't realize how much stuff I got from Colourpop. I'm pretty sure I spent like $100 on Black Friday. Their sale was 30% off of everything, so I had to rack up. I had to. So then I got this cute little sharpener. I figured I'm getting their lippy pencils, might as well get a sharpener that is most likely going to work for their actual products. So this is what the sharpener looks like. Super cute, super simple, and it has like a cover so you don't make a mess that pops right off. The next thing that I got is a ultra glossy lip in the shade Space Maker. Look at how cute this box is. I love floral. So this is what this color looks like. It's super freaking cute. This is like my third. Well, with the extra one they sent me, this is my fourth ultra glossy lip. I'm probably going to purchase every single one they have. I freaking love this formula. I have one on my lips right now. I have the shade Fantasia on my lips right now. I can't wait to try this color out. See if I can swatch it really quickly. So down here is the swatch of Space Maker. This one is like a bit more pigmented in color, so I can't wait to mix this with some other lip products. We are almost done, guys. I promise. We only have 3 more products left. Okay, so the next thing I got is a lippy pencil in the shade BFF3. And this is what it looks like. So you guys know I've been super into brown lip liners lately. Oh, this is such a pretty brown. So that is like a true brown lip liner. I'm probably gonna get like 20 more of these, if I'm being honest, because I really like this color. Like from the swatch, I'm pretty sure it's gonna look great on the lips. I've already tried this lippy formula. I have the shade BFF4, which is a really nice deep brown. So I'm probably gonna just get backups on backups. The next thing that I got is a pressed powder cheek bronzer, and this is in the color Afternoon Delight. I thought it was gonna come in a compact, but it's okay because I have a Z palette that needs to get full anyways. So this is what it looks like outside the package. So I'm probably just gonna pop this into my Z palette now. There's a chance that I might forget about it if I pop it in my Z palette right now, but that's what the color looks like. Super soft. It doesn't look like it's gonna be too deep either. Let's see. You could barely see the swatch, but it is really pretty. It is like in between cool and warm, so hopefully that shade works for me. And the last product, that could have been bad. And the last product that I got, I've been dying to get. This is from the Disney Designer Collection. It's a highlighter in the shade Horse and Carriage. Like, how cute. This is my first like Disney product from Colourpop that I'm purchasing. So this is what the actual product looks like. Super cute. It says Horse and Carriage on the back. It comes with a little sleeve and a nice cute little mirror. But this is what the actual highlighter looks like. Let's do a swatch. Wow, that is pretty icy. I didn't think it was gonna be that icy. Whoa. That is like pigmented. So that is that. So that is everything that I purchased from Colourpop for Black Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything that I purchased, drop them down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. Also turn on your notifications so you guys can stay notified every time I upload. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!